Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Welcome to the channel and welcome to your daily updates on dogs. We'll talk about what's going on. I mean, in general, the situation is similar to yesterday, even though I do think we've had some confirmations. So we'll talk about that. And yesterday in the video, I also asked you what the situation is with dogs claiming, right? Because I've looked through the web and I couldn't really find anything. I mean, dogs very conveniently don't have as far as I could see, don't have a real claim counter, right? So where you can see the percentage that's being claimed. There's also no dashboard or anything on June. So what I hear quite a lot from a lot of people is that the Ton network is struggling, and that a lot of people cannot claim their dogs. Which obviously, if that's true, that means that there's still a big supply overhang, right? So a big part of the supply is still kind of hanging over the price, but cannot enter the markets. And I would say that most of the dogs airdrop, especially at the valuation we're at right now, I think most will be sold. So it's absolutely crucial to know that. I don't have the information. Yesterday I asked in the comments, but I don't. Yeah, so some people haven't claimed. You keep confusing people here. I'm sorry. I'm not sure how though. Yesterday, the day before, I said that there could be a crash. I think people saved some money on that, and we also talked about a potential bounce here, because what I said yesterday is that, you know, I think this level will hold. In general, when I look at the technical situation here for dogs, I think the consolidation range which we are in right now will hold. All right, those are my thoughts. I am slightly bearish because of those fundamentals, because of the potential supply overhang. But like I said, I don't have the numbers on that. So that's confusing, but that's also confusing for me. And that's also one of the reasons why I'm not trading dogs right now, except for when we had this bearish breakout. I did want to trade that, but I missed it. But no, so right now we're consolidating, I think, between, let's say, this level right here at 1200, major support, has also been able to hold us up on Friday, yesterday. And then we have this major resistance here at 1400 or 1450. That's the area which we are in. I expect that to hold. The thing is, and that's what I think you need to know, and that's also what we have to think about as a community, if there is a supply overhang, so if a large percentage of the dogs tokens have not been claimed yet, then there's the possibility that we drop down lower towards that 1000 or 0.1 cent area. Because at this valuation, I think most people that actually did the Telegram game will sell their tokens, and then we can drop down. So that's something to take into account. But for now, like I said, I mean, if you look at dogs, it's a pretty normal big launch. The open interest is still going up, so a lot of people are positioning themselves in dogs, are opening long and short positions. What you can see because of that is that there is quite a lot of liquidity to the upside, to the downside. We had a bit of a liquidity spike earlier this morning to the demand side. Most of the liquidity is to the demand side. All right, so short term, if you really want my short term analysis, it's bearish. All right, and that's for multiple technical reasons as well. Is if it loads. First of all, after hitting that major support here that we talked about, that I think will hold, we hit the 382 fib, got up there, rejected. Usually if you respect the fib like that, it's a bearish confirmation. Now you can also see kind of on the 30-minute time frame that we are breaking down. So do I expect a crash here? No, not necessarily. Do I expect us to move into this support level right here? Yes. Will I buy there? Maybe, but like I said, due to that fear I have of still that supply overhang, I probably won't buy here. I'm more likely to buy, just in general to kind of give you my thoughts on dogs. I would be more likely to buy if we break above 1400 again. Last time we broke that, we went absolutely berserk. I still think with DWF Labs as the market maker of dogs, I still think a pump is coming. I just don't see any indication of it right now. All right, so those are my thoughts. Something like this is the most likely scenario. Consolidate down here, and then at some point of time, I do expect momentum to kick in and for us to pump, but I'll keep you updated on that. For now, those are my thoughts. For now, that's what I think you need to know. Be careful for the crash in terms of a supply overhang. But again, if that happens, I will probably do like a quick update and I'll release it very quickly. But those are my thoughts. So thank you for watching. Have a great weekend, of course, and bye.